I've noticed a difference since I've been coming, and I'm very positive that I'm really going to get better, and it's all thanks to my chiropractor.
The problems I had when I initially came in was a lot of pain in my lower back.
I get migraines really, really badly.
My hand was shaking and I couldn't seem to stop it.
Hi, I'm Jess and I'm the co-owner of Ocean City Chiropractic. We're a family-run clinic which is in the city centre of Plymouth. Our goal was to help the community of Plymouth optimise their health through natural and holistic chiropractic care. We want people to be able to do the things they love with the people they love for as long as possible, and ideally pain-free.
Hello, my name's Dane. I'm the lead chiropractor and co-founder of Ocean City Chiropractic. The typical things that we'll see in the clinic are things like back and neck pain, headaches and migraines. We'll also see shoulder problems and hip issues and sciatica.
My pain, it was really preventing me from walking, exercising, sitting for long periods, which is impacting my job.
When I first came here, I'd just suffered from a back injury a few months before because I do crazy lifting in the gym. My mental health needs the gym, and to be able to go to the gym pain-free, I need to see my chiropractor.
Well, I've been to the doctors and had an MRI scan, but there was nothing they could do. And then in the end, I thought, well, I've got to do something.
I have a particular interest in seeing people with chronic pain conditions, and I've done additional training in this, so it is very helpful for people who have seen practitioners before and been told that nothing can help or that medication is the only way. There is another way that you can help yourself by taking a holistic view.
The results, I've just felt better for it, and it was really nice to get the weight off my mind to think someone's going to help me.
I don't have the issues anymore, so I can now walk, exercise. We've got a dog now, which we didn't have before, so we can take it out. I've been going to the gym, got a personal trainer, so all the things I wanted to do before, I can now do.
Coming to Ocean City and seeing Dane means that I get to lift pain-free. I get to avoid having migraines, which I suffer from terribly. Bad posture, bad sleep. All these things are helped by coming and seeing the chiropractor.
We all look after our teeth, our hair, our fitness, and our spine should be no different. But unfortunately, we only look after our spine when something's gone wrong.
Chiropractic is for everyone, and I think that's such an important message we'd like to get across, is that you don't need to be in pain, you don't have to have an injury.
So if you have any questions or if you want to find out if we can help you, feel free to get in touch, and we look forward to welcoming you into the practice soon.